this is Anupama and welcome back. So let's start our DIY today, that is making up this beautiful wall decor. So it hardly takes 30 minutes to 1 hour to make this wall decor, and this is gonna be a short video, so let's get started. For this I am using this old frame which is with me. So these frames are from Amazon. If you want to buy, I'll be dropping down the link in the description box. So please have a look. Just open the frame and take off that hardboard. And this is acrylic sheet and is not a mirror. Just take that hardboard and now take a jute sheet. I have taken this yellow jute sheet and now place the board over the jute sheet. Trace the border and now cut it according to that size. Even this jute sheet is from Amazon. I'll be dropping down all the links so that you can have a look. So all the designing part will be doing on this jute sheet. So if you want to change and use it as a picture frame, or else if you want to change the design, you can always change it. And now place the jute sheet and the hardboard in the frame and close the frame. And now to decorate this, I am using these lotus cutouts, and these are also from Amazon. I'll be dropping down the links. As a base coat, I had painted them white, and on top of it I am using this pink. So like this, I had taken 5 of them. And now we need to stick them over the frame. So for this I am using this fabric glue. You can use any white glue. So carefully stick them on the jute sheet like this. And now as the stems, I am using these skewer sticks. You can even use toothpicks for this. Cut them according to that size. And for this I am applying this green acrylic paint. Now apply glue and then stick the stems on top of glue like this. Now apply more glue on the sides of the stems like this. And on top of it I will be sticking these mirrors. If you carefully observe my crafts, in most of my crafts you can see I will be using this kind of mirrors to decorate. So stick all the mirrors next to the stem like this. So if you want to make it simple, you can just hang this like this on the wall. And now to get that lippan style of artwork, I'll be sticking more mirrors on the frame like this on the sides. So here I'm using small mirrors. And then I'll be decorating this using this white 3D outliner like this. You can follow any pattern of your choice. You can find similar pattern in my earlier craft as well. Allow it to dry completely, and this is how it looks. And all the materials which I had used for this project are given in the description box. Please do have a look. So now let's hang this to the wall and see. This is beautiful, right? So guys, please give it a try. It hardly takes 30 minutes. The working time is 30 minutes excluding the drying time. So that's it for today guys. I hope you guys also enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this. And please do follow me on my Instagram ID saiscraftstudio. And please do consider subscribing. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.